welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hi, my name is Ahi, welcome. And I'm very happy to announce that I will be starting again with my monthly Glossybox unboxing videos. Everything you want to know about the subscription beauty box I will be linking down below, or you can just check my other videos I have done last year. So let's just jump right into it. So this is how the Glossybox looks like, and when you open that you get a magazine with the products that you received. So let's just see now what we have this month. So first thing that I have, it is a mini scrubber with smart technology. This one, it comes in gentle, and it seems to be having like 3 different exfoliation types, or however you want to call it. Gentle, mild, and vigorous. And you can use it actually many times, and it says writing on the label fades when it's time to replace your scrubber. So this is a good one, because I don't really like the products where you get to use them only one time and then you have to buy like every time. So this is a good one. I can also do an extra review on this product if you want. The next product, I get a lip balm from Burt's Bees in cucumber mint. I like all their lip balms. They make every time my lips feel so soft and protects them, especially in the winter. I do recommend all of their products. So the next product I get, it is a Black Magic mascara. It says here Drama and Curl from xoxo. I think it's pronounced xoxo London. I've never tried this product before. I might be doing an extra review on this product, so just let me know if you want to see that. This is how it looks like, and then here we have the wand. So it is slightly curved, as you can see, and it's just simple mascara. But as I said, if you guys want to see an extra review on this mascara, please do let me know. So the next product I have, it's a concealer, Instant Awake concealer from Catrice, and this one, it is in cool beige, number 010. I've never used a concealer from them, so I am kind of curious to know how this product applies and how it will work with my dry eye skin area, and with all my wrinkles and with all that drama. Again, I will be doing an extra review on this product. So the next product I got, it's a stamp liner. I've never used a product like this one. I normally like to create by myself my cat eye look, so I'm very curious to be trying something like that. So this is how it looks like. So here you get the stamp. It comes in black, very pigmented, and on the other end you have the liner so that you can create your wing. Okay, so this looks super messy, but you get the idea. Again, an extra review I think I'm going to be doing on this product as well. So it is cruelty free and vegan. I already like this product. If you guys ever used a similar product, do let me know in the comments below. I want to know your thoughts about it. And the last product I have, it's a full-size deodorant. This is how it looks like. So it claims to give you a 48-hour protection. So let's see how it smells. That smells so beautiful. Something like flowers. Here it's the fragrance velvet blossom, and as I said, 48-hour protection. So this is a good product. Okay, you guys, so these are the products that I've got from my Glossybox subscription beauty box. Please do let me know in the comments below if you ever heard of these products, or if you tried them, or if you want to see an extra review of them. But next month I will be having another unboxing video on the Glossybox. So before you leave, make sure you hit that like button, also subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification so that you know every time I upload a new video, and I will see you next week. Bye!